Tatlong bagay: to teach, yan ang una, to heal and then to lead. So let me discuss the teach. Ang teach kasi, ang word the doctor comes from the Latin word docere, to teach. So magtuturo tayo. So my proposal is to insert preventive health into the curriculum sa elementary at high school kasi formative years. Maraming mataba na mga bata na at then naki-carry over sa workplace. So around mga 5 to about 10% ng mga kabataan natin tumataba because walang ginagawa, nagmo-Mobile Legend, nakaupo, yan. So and then ipapasok din sa CHED. Hopefully sa workplace din, sa DOLE. And then of course sa DILG na ma-embrace ng local community. There are already I would say model provinces like Bataan, San Fernando na naipasok na sila sa curriculum and then sa workplace. And then hopefully the entire country, yung mga governors, League of Governors. And then whole of so ituturo. And then napansin nyo during the pandemic kaya maraming hindi nagpabakuna at nasayang. With the explosion of COVID as well as NCDs, dumami rin ang fake ads at saka infodemic. So kunyari, nung panahon ng pandemic, ayaw nagpabakuna, magiging zombie ka, magiging autistic ka.
Kung ano-ano
Eh
yung
ngayon,
lumabas.
dumami yung fake ads na pwede daw ako, nagamit ako, kaya ako nag-file ng case. Kasi kung spokesperson ka for NCD or even Department of Health or other doctors, and then you will be tarnished by fake ads, paano tayo makakapag-communicate kung meron tayong ganitong cases? So, dapat credible and reference-based information. Kasi the first reason why we fail in health is ignorance. So, therefore, knowledge is key. Yan ang napaka-importante. Sa heal naman, we will partner. Kasi hindi kaya ng department of ito Kailangan to whole of government and whole of society approach. Ibig sabihin, every sangay ng government should be involved in health. They will devote money and time to health. So that for the next generation of Filipinos, ang target natin, humaba ang buhay nila from 71 hanggang 80 years old. As we speak, yesterday, pumanaw si Mr. Mike Enriquez at age 71. Oo, diabetes, hypertension, chronic kidney disease. Basically, kung ano yung sakit ng mga taga-Pilipino, kaya mayaman ka or mahirap ka, papanaw ka kung hindi na siya titingnan. So a lot of personalities din na may cancer, si L.A. Tenorio, si Chadwick Boseman, si Bronny James nga, 18 lang, nag-cardiac arrest. Sherry Hill, 59. Lydia De Vega, 57. FPJ, 61. Rico J, 65. Pero ang kailangan aralin natin, why some Filipinos live longer. And I think sa lifestyle, like Senator Enrile at 99, Queen Elizabeth at 95, Angela Lansbury, 96, Madam Imelda, 93, FBR died at 93, Jimmy Carter is at 91, Steve Jobs, 56. So, meron na akong diagnosis dyan And partnering. And then yung huli, lead. Ang lead, every Filipino should be a leader. Lead. Every Filipino citizen should embrace the concept of health. Every parent should take care of their family members. Every principal or teacher should take care of their kids. Every CEO or president should take care of the workplace kasi economy yan Every mayor or governor and the president should take care of the health. It should be the primary concern, like in Singapore, Japan. So we will transform the Philippines into a health conscious with long lifespan. So because we know from Benjamin Franklin that health is wealth and nation's health is nation's wealth. So therefore, para hindi tayo maghirap, we need productive, educated population to create a tiger economy anchored on good health and good education, which tinitingnan natin in Asian countries. The reason why they are successful because they have good health environment. Their transport system is fine so that you can walk. They have calorie counters. They have labeling. Yan ang isa sa dapat nating isipin on how to tweak the environment. So, every leader should motivate the people, but they need a game plan. Parang sa Gilas yan. You might have the best players, but if you
Kung wala ka
cannot
namang
harness
game plan.
their talent and maximize that and work as a team, I don't think our country will be healthy. Yun ang aking analysis dyan. Maraming
Ganda.
plano, but I would say in a nutshell, it's a
Yan,
5-minute
nutshell,
elevator talk and yan ang summary ng gagawin. Pero ang daming gagawin yan.